Presido Buhari don give 286 Oyinbo pipo citizenship for Naija. Presido Buhari on Thursday for Abuja don give 286 Oyinbo pipo citizenship. E con tok say Naija na dia own and make dem dey loyal to Naija, make dem respect di national ethics, code of conduct and Naija pipo. E con call on oda ogbonge agencies make dem sharparly give dem legal identification and make dem begin all di entitlement wey Naija pipo dey enjoy.
I hereby confer on all of you the citizenship of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No matter where you come from or what faith you practice, Nigeria is now your home and pride and joy. When you give your love and loyalty to Nigeria, she returns her love and loyalty to you. I further urge that you be in accord with our national ethics and code of conduct as citizens of Nigeria. All those concerned with immigration matters are to offer our new citizens quick legal identification. Also, their local governments should assist with their integration in the local community to enable them enjoy all the entitlements of a Nigerian citizen.
Rauf Aregbesola, wey be di Minister of Interior, con chook mouth say dis citizenship wey dem give dem so na big one as Naija be ogbonge country.
The acquisition of the Nigerian citizenship is a great privilege, since not everyone that applied became successful. You must therefore guard jealously your new status by being Nigerian in deed and truth. Be rest assured that the full powers and resources of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be deployed to support you and to make you succeed in all your legitimate endeavors.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party.